Hey guys! So this is going to be an unboxing of my new rose gold iPad Air 4 and the Apple Pencil and some iPad accessories. Okay, so we'll start with the iPad itself. Ooh. Ooh. Look how pink it is. It's so pretty. And it comes with instructions, I guess, and Apple stickers. And you get a adapter and a USB-C to USB-C. And I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Okay, cool. Ooh. Okay, let me unbox the pencil and the protector. Ooh. I had the first gen pencil before. Ooh, it feels matte. The other pencil that I had was more glossy. This feels nice. Isn't this magnetic? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, next. Okay, so this is a magnetic case for the iPad Air. It's by Surfy and I got it in this baby pink. So basically I just went on Amazon and typed in cute or pink iPad Air 4 cases, and all the other pinks were like rose gold. I didn't want a rose gold case. This was the only one that was like baby pink. Ooh, look at that baby pink. Okay, so apparently it just attaches on here with magnets. Wait, that's not very strong. Wait, is it supposed to stay? I mean, it does stay, but it doesn't feel like a very secure attachment. So the back looks like that. I don't know if I like this. I mean, it feels nice and I like the color, but the sides aren't protected though. Okay, last we're gonna unbox this pencil case. That's for the Apple Pencil because it looked cute. It comes with nib covers. Just go in like this. Interesting. I like how it looks against the pink. And then you can use these if you wanted to protect the tip. Let's try turning this on. I hope it's charged. Ooh. Hello. Hola. This is what it looks like all set up. Oh, wait. And it imported my apps over. So I just wanted to test the Apple Pencil a bit more with this case on. So even if you have this protector on, it still writes pretty nicely with the pressure and everything. But it still feels a lot nicer without the protector. When you have the pencil case on, it still works fine here. This is the size comparison compared to my old one. This is the iPad 6th gen. It has the paper like screen protector over it. And this is this one. So it is a lot bigger. And the screen does look a lot clearer. I'm not sure if I like this case because look, it's already falling. It doesn't even stick on. Like, it's so easy to fall. Okay, so I attached my Bluetooth keyboard and it's working very well. So overall, I'm really excited to have this iPad. Everything is great. The only thing that I would not recommend is probably this case. Because it's way too, it doesn't fit very well and it slides way too easily down. So, but everything else is very nice.